Hi, I got gifted this UV light from the SUNUV brand, and so I just want to show you how it works. All right, so super easy to use. This is actually also just really lightweight as well. It has all your options here, on and off. So you can see on and off. Has on for 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds. So it has the timer so that it'll turn it off when you need to take your nail out after you have put polish on it. It did also come with all the essentials you need for kind of prepping your nails and getting them ready to have polish on them. It did come with this glass as well. So this here, it actually magnetics to the bottom like so. And then it kind of just helps, having that mirror there, kind of just helps like reflect the UVs and just make sure you get the most quality nail set that you can. And so I'm just going to now put some polish on my nail and just show you how it works. All right, and one thing I just noticed is that as soon as you put your hands under here, it actually does turn on as well. And then you would just kind of press like the 5-second marker here, and then at 5 seconds, it should turn off, and then you know to remove your hand. It also came with this box of polishes. I'm going to do this like light pink. I'm a very neutral kind of person, so I will start with just this light pink here. I just painted this nail. I'm going to stick it under here, and I'm going to do it for 60 seconds. All right, so it just finished, and it is completely dry and like not tacky at all. So that worked very well. And then the polish, you can definitely tell that it's on there. I love how when it dries, it is actually more of a color. But yeah, we'll just need a couple more layers, and then that nail would be done.